Hey guys, Ben here, Murray Bridge Caravan Centre. Now come with me, we've got a great range of second-hand caravans, varying from single axles that are priced in the teens all the way through to some top tier caravans that give you the full ensuite, full off-grid, the whole experience. Let's get through these ones nice and fast and show you the range. We've got a creative Tanami here. This one here, perfect for the families that want to start getting away. You've got some bunks in the back, priced in the mid-30s. Jump over this side, we've got the Jayco Heritage. This here has an ensuite shower toilet combo, the whole lot, and it's only priced at $22,990. Over my shoulder here, we've got a Jayco Sterling. This one here as well, shower toilet combo, full off-grid spec, has all the tanks, all the bells and whistles, all the solar for $32,990. This one here, absolutely immaculate van. This Pasadena, you will find, is priced just above $45,000, and you will not find a better price caravan on the market. Let's go check out some more. This 2002 Jayco Heritage is an absolute bargain. Full van, full ensuite at the back, shower toilet, separate sides, plenty of space. It's already got solar, batteries, the whole lot, and it's priced at $24,990. That's right, you can have a toilet, a shower, a bed, batteries, solar, fridge, air conditioner, the whole lot for $24,990. Jayco Expander, absolutely immaculate, perfect for the families wanting to start out, and this is just been price dropped down to $33,990. Get in fast, this one won't hang around long. Just behind me is the cleanest caravan I've seen for its age. This is a 2006 Lotus. Okay, it doesn't have an ensuite, doesn't have all the bells and whistles, but this has been looked after immaculately. Check it out. Once again, $24,990. All right, we keep talking about how well priced things are, and this is another prime example of the outstanding stock we have here at the moment. This one here is a creative Tanami with a full ensuite at the rear, and we're priced at $39,990. Check it out. Look at all the features we've got. Large fridge, solar, fresh water, grey water, full ensuite, all the bells and whistles. And last but not least is the full off-grid, pre-owned caravan that we have here, which is the 2018 Desert Rose. 20 foot, this van retailed for over $110,000, and it could be yours now at $79,990. There is nothing spared on this thing. It'll take you anywhere.